Tom, we're out of juice again.
Really? I thought we had a bottle left.
Nope, it's empty.
Did you drink it all?
Maybe. I had 2 glasses this morning.
2?
I was thirsty.
You're amazing.
Don't worry, I'll buy more.
Please do. I need it for breakfast.
You and your breakfast.
Life needs orange juice.
Life needs coffee, too.
True. We need both.
I'll go to the store later.
Want me to come?
Sure, help me carry it.
I can handle 1 bottle.
Let's get 2, just in case.
Smart. Should we buy apples too?
Definitely.
You never say no to snacks.
Of course not.
Okay, juice and apples tonight.
Sounds perfect.
I'll make tea too.
Great little evening cafe.
Yes, our own shop.
We'll be rich.
Only if we don't eat everything.
That's the hard part.
I know.
Tom, why are the lights off?
Power cut, I think.
Again? It happened last week.
Yes, maybe the rain.
My phone just died.
Mine too. Time for a break.
You wish. We have work to do.
No power, no work.
True. I like this rule.
Let's open the window. It's dark.
Good idea. Oh, fresh air.
See? Not so bad.
We can talk instead.
Or tell funny stories.
Not scary ones.
Okay, funny only. Once I made soup with no water.
What?
It turned into a rock.
That's terrible.
My dad still laughs about it.
I would too.
Hey, the lights are back.
Work time again.
Oh no, I missed the dark.
Me too.
Let's hope for another power cut.
Maybe tomorrow. Tom, look at this new game app.
What does it do?
It helps you learn English words.
Like a dictionary?
Better. It's a quiz game.
Show me.
Here, press this button.
Oh, it asks questions.
Yes, and you get points for right answers.
Sounds fun. Try apple.
Apple.
Correct.
I'm a genius.
Or just lucky.
Does it have hard words?
Many, and it gives hints.
That's nice. Listen. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Great. You passed.
This app likes me.
It likes everyone who tries.
I'll download it.
Do it. We can compete.
You'll lose.
We'll see.
What's it called?
Word champ.
My new teacher.
Mine too.
Lena, the kitchen is a mess.
I know. Too many dirty dishes.
And crumbs everywhere.
Those are yours.
Maybe.
Let's clean up together.
Okay, I'll wash the dishes.
I'll wipe the counters.
Who sweeps the floor?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Deal.
1, 2, 3.
Rock.
Scissors. You win.
You sweep. I'll mop.
Fine, boss.
We'll finish faster together.
Yes, then we can relax.
With a snack?
And tea.
Perfect plan.
Tom, I forgot my wallet again.
Oh no, Lena.
Can you pay for lunch?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you.
You forget it a lot.
I know, my memory is bad.
Maybe use a wallet chain.
Or just remember.
That's hard for you.
Next time, I'll check my bag.
Good idea.
Thanks for saving me.
Anytime.
Maybe I'll buy you coffee next time.
I'll remember that. Lena, are you nervous?
Yes, it's my first day.
You'll do great.
I hope so.
Just smile and say hello.
What if I forget someone's name?
Just ask again.
Is that okay?
Of course.
Everyone was new once.
Thanks, Lena. Thanks, Lena. Let's go in together.
Let's go in together.
You'll make friends soon.
You'll make friends soon. Tom, can you hear me?
Not really. Your voice is breaking up.
Let me check my internet.
Okay, now?
Okay, now I can hear you.
Great.
Wait, now I can't see your screen.
Wait, now I can't see your screen.
Wait, now I can't see your screen.
Thanks.
Online meetings are tricky.
True. Let's finish this project.
Together.
Lena, any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Do you have ideas?
How about a movie night?
That sounds fun.
At your place or mine?
Mine. I'll make popcorn.
I'll bring drinks.
What movie?
Something funny.
Good idea.
Saturday at 7?
Perfect.
I'll see you then.
Can't wait. Tom, do you like bookstores?
Yes, I love them.
What do you usually read?
Mystery novels.
Nice. I like travel books.
There are many here.
Let's find something new.
Sure.
Do you want to read together?
Yes, let's sit by the window.
Good idea.
It's quiet here.
Perfect for reading.
Let's start.
My report disappeared.
Disappeared? How?
I saved it, but now I can't find it anywhere.
Did you check the recycle bin?
Yes, it's empty.
Maybe it's in the wrong folder.
I looked everywhere.
Try searching the file name.
Okay, let me try. Oh, wait, I see it.
Where was it?
In the downloads folder.
Classic, Lena.
Don't laugh, I was so worried.
Now save a backup.
I will. Thanks for helping me, Tom.
Anytime.